Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of CARRR series, that is the current affair recall, revise and rise series. So in this series we cover the GA and ESI current affairs. We do it very quickly under 2 minutes and we do it in MCQ format. So let's begin. The first question is the campaign Badna Hai To Yahan Judna Hai was launched with the primary objective of expanding India's semiconductor manufacturing capacity, promoting India's digital skilling ecosystem through SID, establishing AI regulatory sandboxes in all states, introducing a new national education curriculum, or replacing existing Skill India scheme. So what do you think is the right answer? The right answer to this question is option B, that is promoting India's digital skilling ecosystem through SID. So badna hai to yahan judna hai means if you want to grow, you must join the digital skill movement. So the engine behind this initiative is actually the SID platform that integrates training, certification and employment. I hope you are clear with question number 1. Moving on, question number 2. International Mother Language Day is observed on. Is it 14th February, 21st February, 8th March, 5th June, or 24th October? So, what do you think is the right answer to this question? It is option B, that is 21st of February. So International Mother Day, International Mother Language Day, it is observed on 21st February. It is done to promote and to preserve linguistic and the cultural diversity. So I hope you are clear with this question as well. Now I have prepared a homework question for you. Please make sure you participate. I will be waiting for your answers in the comment section. The question is, which of the following features makes the Delhi Metro Namo Bharat corridor historically unique in India's urban transport architecture? A. It is India's first fully underground high speed rail system. It integrates freight and passenger rail on a dedicated corridor. Metro and RRTS, they operate from the same station and share the same track infrastructure. It is financed entirely through multilateral climate funds. It replaces conventional Indian railway services in NCR. So I will be waiting for your answers in comment section below. And for more such series to revise your current affairs quickly, please subscribe to our channel. I will see you at day 5. Thank you.